Alright guys, it's a little bit windy. I'm going to mow with the 450 here some. Hopefully I don't run out of gas. I got a little bit, there's more gas in the barn. It's not in it. Oh, see what it does here. twice. I'm thinking when I sprayed that PB blaster in there, it swelled up the carb gasket. So what I'm gonna do is there's a couple little things I need dealt with on this tractor. So pretty much, guys, this tractor, there's only three little issues. One is the throttle cable needs adjusted so it runs a little bit higher, but that's small potatoes. I take the screwdriver, loosen the little set screw, move the throttle up a little further on the cable so it pulls up higher. That's a simple one. The major issue I have right now is it's leaking oil in between the engine and transmission. So yeah, I thought it was just along the bottom last night, so I took the motor, put a screwdriver in either side and tipped it back a little bit, and put some silicone up in there, hoping that would stop it, and doesn't seem like it stopped it. In fact, it might have made it worse. Go figure that out. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to order a couple Kohler engine to transmission gaskets, and I'll order a carb gasket and intake gaskets for this, because obviously that's been my problem all along. It sucks that I had to switch motors before I figured it out. I should have checked that a long time ago, and I never did. You know, but what are you gonna do? So technically, I started the other night. I put the crank back in the motor is all I did. Put another one of these CCKAs back together in case I ever want to build that third 8-speed transmission I have, which I swore I had a gear. A gear came with that motor. I'll have to look. Maybe it didn't. I don't know. But regardless, put it back together just so the parts aren't floating everywhere. I mean, I might just put them all in a basket and oil the cylinders up real nice and stick the heads back on it and then the oil pans and throw them back up on a shelf over there. I gotta figure out what I did with the third crank timing gear. I don't know where the hell it went. I thought I laid it on a bench or something. I haven't tore everything off the bench, but the motors were still in there, so I have to look through it. The other thing is I'll look at my videos, see if I laid it down somewhere. Who knows? Anyhow, guys, it's going to be it for the 450 project, at least for right now. The small detail stuff I'll take care of off camera, like in gaskets. Because basically I just got to pull the motor back off about yay far. I probably won't take it the whole way off. I'll do the same thing. Sit it way up high and just take it back, sit it on the bucket. Put the new gasket on and just slide the motor back on. Hopefully. And the carb gasket's not really a big deal. It's a pain because you have to unhook the intake and everything to get to it. But we'll do that, and the old 450 here will be ready to make a good showing in 2020. I'm debating about putting a snowplow on it now. I'm debating about it, but I might keep it as a mowing machine for right now. There's only about 3 or 4 machines floating with decks on. The 12G's having a fuel issue. I'll have to deal with it. I have to run with a choke about half on it, if it's carb or fuel pump or something, I don't know. It's always had a bit of a fuel issue, it seems like. So I have to check the screen and the lines. And the pump on it's probably weak is my guess. But anyhow, enough bullshitting. Catch everybody later. For easily 20 minutes worth of stuff right here. No. Only 10 minutes and 14 seconds. Not bad. Later.